Hello everybody, sorry my voice is a little scratchy. I went to a concert a couple nights ago and I'm still not recovered. But I'm currently at Walmart and I am excited to share with you guys some Walmart Ibotta deals. It's still a little too early for me to find out what my weekend warrior is, but most likely it's gonna be like 18 rebates. I don't think I'll hit that today if it is 18, but I'm still excited to go inside and see what we have. I have already starting to do Christmas shopping. Number one, because I'm kid-free, and if I find something that I want to get my kids, I like to get it now. So I'm always looking for like clearance items, stuff that I definitely want to use. And then I saw some really cool ornaments online, and I'm hoping my store has them. Otherwise, we're gonna go on a hunt for some of these items. So they were just starting putting Christmas stuff up, so we will see how much they got up this time. So let's go inside and have some fun couponing. So here we have the Mountain Dews, and this one is the mystery flavor, and I heard a rumor that it is cherry airheads, so we are definitely gonna go ahead and get it. You're gonna pay $2.28 for one of the Mountain Dews, but we currently have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making this just $1.78. I'm gonna get two of them because if this tastes as good as it gets, I'll probably wanna get another one right away. So here's a really good deal on some Band-Aids. My kids go through Band-Aids like there's no tomorrow. But these are a 60 count, just the plastic simple ones, for $2.62. You'd pay $2.62, but you can submit your receipt to the Shopify app, or there's Alexa, or there is probably Swagbucks. But you're gonna submit your receipt to that app. Then we also got the Ibotta rebate that you guys can get for $1 back, making this pack just 62 cents, which is a great deal. I've been eyeing up some of these, but still not cheap enough, but 62 cents for a pack of Band-Aids. So this is a deal that I'm doing because I use Tampax, and this deal is a rare deal. But anyways, the 18 count are $4.67. You're gonna pay $4.67 for it. But we currently have an Ibotta deal, or it disappeared on me. Let me find it. We have an Ibotta deal where you get $1.50 back, making this just $3.17. So not the greatest deal, but like I said, this is a product that I get and I need some, so that's what I'm getting. So here we have the Dove Men Care shampoo conditioner for $4.98. You're gonna pay $4.98, but when I clicked on the Shopkick app, it showed it was $4.25. Then when I scanned the item, it showed that it was $3.50, and then when I go to submit the receipt, it says $3.50. So here we're gonna get 360 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.44 in the Shopkick app. We also will be getting $1 back with the Ibotta app, and then you can also submit your receipt for $2 back in the Shopify app or Alexa, or you can also do the Swagbucks, I think, but it ends up becoming just 54 cents, which is a great deal. Just want to give you guys a heads up, my store is like putting a lot of stuff on clearance. We have these LOL mini sweets. My daughter has been begging for these, but guess what? They're $1 and they were $7, so I bought them. I'm getting them all. They only had 6 of them. And then they have these color changing surprise, and these are $1.50, originally $4.88. So I'm getting these for her for Christmas because you can't go wrong with $1. So here is an awesome deal for cat litter. I'm gonna give this to my neighbor because they have 2 cats, but it is $14.97. You would pay $14.97, but right here we have a try me free. So what you do is you buy it, then it says you just go online and you submit your receipt and you'll get your money back. This deal does end at the end of December, so that's right there is absolutely free. But we currently have a $2 Ibotta rebate that you guys can get, and you can submit your receipt to Swagbucks and you'll get 400 points when you purchase the one. You get $10 back when you purchase 2, but you only get, this is a limit of 1. So you get $4 back with Swagbucks. So right here, this comes out to be a $6 $6 moneymaker. You guys can't pass that up. A $6 moneymaker. My store does have the bigger one, and they have a $4 coupon attached to it if you guys want to use that one. That's $21.47, but don't pass this up and give it to somebody who needs it if you guys want to do it anyways. So here's an awesome deal on the Friskies Little Gravy. So these are $1.28. You would pay $1.28 for it. But here I have 440 kicks for buying the little gravies. That is $1.76. This comes out to be a 48-cent moneymaker, you guys. A 48-cent moneymaker. There's also some other little deals. We got the little shakes, the little gravies, the little slurprizes, and the little grillers. I got this all for my cat before she died. But yeah, definitely a great deal if you guys can get it. Okay, my store also has the little shakes, so I'll be getting one of the little shakes. I'll get the little gravies, and I don't know what else I can find, but still a great deal. So here we have these small spaces. The individual ones are $3.24. You would pay $3.24 for it. But we currently have an Ibotta deal for $2.30 back, making this just 94 cents. My favorite one is the Strawberry Bramble, which I am not finding it over here, but I did find it on an end cap. So I'm getting this one, the Strawberry Berry and Bramble, because this one is the best. So definitely a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So here we have a deal on some Gain dish soap. These are $1.94. You would pay $1.94. Then I just dropped my phone. That's awesome. Then there would be a 50-cent Ibotta rebate. You guys would just get this for $1.44, which is about the same price you can get it at Walmart when they have those sales. Otherwise, you can get the bigger bottles for $2.94, and we currently have a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making your final price for that would be $2.19. So still, I don't know if that's a great deal, but I'm going to get both deals because I love these squeeze bottles, so I'm definitely going ahead to get them. I showed you guys this deal last week, but I didn't do it. I'm gonna get it this week because it's a decent deal. So the Lucky Charms is on sale for $3. It's actually just cash back. I don't know what it is, but it's $3. You're gonna buy 2 of them at $6 each. We currently have a $1 off a 2 coupon that you can submit to the Shopium app, and then we also have a $1.50 off of 2 with the Ibotta app, making these just $3.50 or $1.75 each. Now I also have a deal with Fetch Rewards, but it's for Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It'd be awesome, but we don't really eat that cereal, so there might be a bonus deal with Fetch Rewards. But for $1.75 a bag, almost 50% off the price, I say that's a pretty good deal. And I've been eating cereal, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal. So here is the macaroni and cheese deal again. This is my 3rd week doing this because you can't pass it up. Now one thing is, you guys don't have to use the macaroni packets. You could actually just use the pasta if you want to make something different. I'm just saying. But anyways, we have the regular macaroni and cheese for $1 along with the spirals for $1. Now we currently have a 20-cent Ibotta rebate for the spirals, and then we also have one, sorry you guys, I took all my screenshots. We also have a 20-cent rebate for the regular originals. So those come out to be just 80 cents. And then I also have it where if I buy 2 more, I will get a $1 bonus. So we're gonna hit that today also, which is a great deal. Then we have the 3 cheese and the thick and creamy. These are $1.12. So you're gonna pay $1.12 for both of those. But we currently have a 20-cent Ibotta rebate for the 3 cheese, and then we also have a 20-cent Ibotta rebate for the regular, and those come out to be just 92 cents, and that also goes towards the bonus. So like I said, I will be getting a bonus for that. And another easy deal if you guys want to stock up. I say stock up on this one if you like the pot. I used to love this weird shaped pasta, but here we have the Wakanda Forever Disney macaroni and cheese for $1. You would pay $1 for it. But we actually have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate for this. This ends up becoming just 50 cents. 50 cents, you guys, if you need food to donate for a shelter, this is a great deal. It doesn't expire till April, but 50 cents, this does not count towards the bonus, but definitely a great deal. Now this deal ends in a day or so, so I'm going to do this deal again because it's great to stock up on pasta, especially this winter. So these are $4.48. You're going to buy 2 of them. You're going to pay, what, $9.96 for both of them. But we currently have a $4.48 off of 2, making it just $4.48 or $2.24 each, which is a pretty decent deal. I mean, the Prego is almost about the same price, same thing with all the other ones, but a great price. So here's a great deal if you guys need some Raid. These are ant traps or ant baits for $4.18 if I can get it to flip over. So $4.18. We currently have a Ibotta rebate for $2 back, and then we also can submit your receipt to the Shopee app where you get $2 back, making this just 18 cents. 18 cents, there's 4 baits, great deal. So here we got the fruit gushers for $2.97. Now we currently have an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents back, making it just $2.47. I usually wait till these are a little bit cheaper, but my son wanted some for lunch, so I'm gonna get them for him today, but a decent deal. It also goes towards your Fetch Rewards bonuses if you guys have any of those. Okay, so here we have the Totino's Party Pizza for the individual ones for $1.97. You're going to buy 2 of them, you will pay $3.94. But we have a 75-cent off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $3.19 or $1.59 each. We also have the 4-packs if you guys want to go ahead and get those. Those are $7.64. You're going to pay $7.64. But here we have a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it $6.14 or just $1.53 a pizza. I thought they sold smaller bags, but these are the 50-count pizza rolls for $5.66. Now we currently have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate that you guys can do, and there is a Shopee deal for 75 cents. I can't find it all of a sudden, but a 75-cent Shopee deal, making that just $4.41. But then I also have some deals with my Fetch Rewards app, where if I spend $50, I get $2.50 back, which between those items and the cereal that I'm buying, I will definitely hit my $2.50 bonus. And then I also have it where if I buy 4 products between the pizza rolls, the 2 individual pizzas, and the 4-pack, that should count as 4 products, so I should get $1.20 back with that. And then they have it where if I buy Hidden Valley Ranch, I'll get $2, so I might go check out the ranch, but pretty decent deal if you guys need some food and snacks. Well, hello, I am back from Walmart. It was awesome. So I looked at my Christmas stuff at my store. They didn't have yet what I was looking for, but my store had some awesome good clearance. I ended up getting those balls. I can't dig it out now because my daughter's home, but I ended up getting those for her. And then I found a Smile, the Smile brand. I found a water floss pick for 20 bucks. It was originally like 60 or 70 bucks. So I got that because I needed it. But otherwise, everything turned out fine. It's funny, I don't even use paper coupons anymore. I just rely all 100% on digital. I know it sucks, but like I love getting coupons, but it adds up, But I also want to say hello to Annie, and all of a sudden I was walking by and I heard somebody say hello, Jennifer. I'm like, what? And then she's like, oh, I watch your channel. So if you guys ever see me out and about, just come say hi. I love taking photos with you guys. I won't post them, but I just love taking photos of you guys just to say, hey, bam. So that was nice meeting up with you, but everything turned out fine. Everything scanned fine, obviously. I ended up getting $86.89 worth of stuff. $86.89. I'm really trying to get a lot of food items just because with the things going on these days, it's nice to get food items. I know a lot of you guys appreciate it because we can get personal care items all the time, but it's the food items. And so I was really excited to get like the Totino's pizza deal because my husband likes to eat those sometimes as like a little snack. And those are perfect for the price that they are. So I ended up getting that. When I submitted my Walmart receipt, it didn't catch the Mountain Dew and it didn't catch the Kraft Spirals macaroni and cheese. This is the third week in a row it does not catch the Spirals macaroni and cheese. So make sure when you guys are submitting your receipt, make sure you watch that stuff. And yeah, so my grand total came to $86.89. With Ibotta, I received $22.58. So not very much, but $22.58. With Shopkicks, I received 1,250 points, which is basically $5. Shopium, I did submit my receipt for 5 items. I ended up getting $6.75 back with that. It was 5 or 6 items. Give me a second, Char. With Fetch Rewards... Okay. With Fetch Rewards, I got 3,873 points, which is $3.87. So I did get the bonus points for a lot of the stuff I had, except I didn't catch all the Totino's pizza items. So I had to like fix my receipt, but I did get the did get the 1,200 points for spending, I think it was like, was it 50 or something like that? And then I did get the other one. So I was happy to finally hit that because I always keep getting the, yeah. So I ended up getting the 2,500 points for spending $50. Now that took me a couple weeks to get that. That wasn't all in one thing. And then I also did receive the 1,200 points for buying 4 of the products. So it was between the 2 Totino's individual pizzas, the 4-pack, and the pizza rolls. And then I also got, you know, some bonus money for the other items that I got. So $3.87 for Fetch Rewards. It's not much, but hey, we'll take it. Swagbucks, I did receive $4 back for the cat litter. And I also did submit my receipt for the cat litter rebate. I tried doing it on my phone and it kept taking me to this like random website. I went on my computer and it found it just like fine. I typed it up I don't know how many times and it just wasn't going where I want it to be. But I did submit that, so I will be getting $14.97 back through the Arm & Hammer rebate. So we got that. I did get the Weekend Warrior. I needed 18 rebates for the Weekend Warrior. So you know what? We got the 18 rebates because I was just like, I needed 3 more items. So I'm like, okay, let's see what else we can get. So I ended up just getting a couple more things. I did also receive a $1 bonus for the Kraft macaroni and cheese. I got so much macaroni and cheese here, it's ridiculous. There is a new TikTok thing on how to make macaroni and cheese, and I definitely want to try that. So I probably will be doing that in the next couple of days, is trying the TikTok challenge of macaroni and cheese. So we're going to try that and see how well it tastes. I ended up getting 26 items for the grand total of $23.72. So everything basically cost 91 cents each, which if you think about it, I'm pretty happy with what I got because I did get, you know, I got some pizza rolls, I got some pizza sauce, I got some pizza, macaroni and cheese. So I do feel like I did get some great, decent stuff. But for $23.72, my goal is always to get under 10 bucks. But I'm also here to share with you guys as many deals as possible because some of you guys might need some of that stuff and some of you might not need it. But I want to share with everything that I can in case somebody needs those items. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please, please, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I have a goal of hitting 60,000 subscribers by Christmas. I don't think that'll happen, but if you guys can help me out and subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. I would absolutely love hitting 60,000 subscribers before Christmas. Just help me make my Christmas wish by subscribing to my channel. But if you guys enjoyed this video, again, please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys next week. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend shopping at Walmart if you do shop at Walmart. And I'll see you guys again next week. See you later. Bye-bye.